Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about what MPLS dedicated line is and its wide application in enterprises. As we all know, large companies nowadays are all IT managed, with many intranet systems such as OA, ERP, and CRM. By inputting and querying data through various management systems, headquarters can manage or branch office systematically. However, there is a question of where to deploy these systems. It's not secure to deploy them all on the internet. So we choose to deploy them on the intranet. But how can we ensure stable and secure transmission of data between different intranet systems? We can purchase dedicated lines from telecom operators and achieve interconnection between intranets in different regions through technical means. Someone may ask, isn't this VPN technology? We mentioned VPN earlier, which needs to be configured and deployed by ourselves, while dedicated lines are deployed by telecom operators. The biggest difference between the two is that the dedicated lines we purchase are not encrypted, which means they are safe and stable. The telecom operator provides the line, guaranteeing the security of the data. Therefore, data does not need to be encrypted and can be transmitted stably from one end to the other. In summary, MPLS is an end-to-end dedicated line provided by telecom operators which enable data transmission between enterprise intranets. It has nothing to do with internet and is used to manage branch business. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. If you have other technology you want to learn or question about this video, please leave a message below and remember to subscribe my channel. See you next time, buddy.